Hello, my name is Sarah Corona, and today I am representing my culture with this. This figure is found at Disney World's Epcot. Mickey Mouse is painted as the Mexican flag representing the country and their culture. This item is important to my family and I because it was our very first vacation. A tradition that my family and I practice is cooking at least one Mexican meal a week. We either have tacos, quesadillas, chalupas, enchiladas, and all different types of burritos. A Spanish dessert that I love is churros, which is a soft cinnamon bread or dough similar to a pretzel. Growing up, my sister and I used to take salsa classes. The salsa is a well-known dance with a woman and a man following an upbeat, happy music. Knowing how to salsa is very important in my culture because at the gatherings, we all get together and show our happiness and devotion through salsa dancing. As I grow up, I plan to continue my practices and also pass Mexican traditions down to the generation to come. Thank you.